Welcome to the Rider Pro 2025 Ducati Panigale V4 R is not just a superbike, it's a statement of Ducati's racing. DNA brought straight to the road, built to dominate the track while remaining street legal. This machine represents the pinnacle of Italian engineering and performance. Design and styling visually. The Panigale V4 R stays true to Ducati's aggressive racing aesthetics. Sharper fairings, aerodynamic winglets, and a race-inspired stance give it a purposeful look. Every line is designed to reduce drag and increase downforce, making it as functional as it is beautiful. Engine and performance. At the heart of the V4R is a high-revving Desmosedici Stradale R engine derived directly from MotoGP and World SBK technology. It delivers explosive acceleration, razor-sharp throttle response, and blistering top-end performance, making it one of the most powerful production superbikes ever built. Technology and electronics. Ducati packs the V4R with advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, slide control, and a quick shifter system. These rider aids work seamlessly to enhance performance while maintaining control, whether on the street or pushing limits on the track. Chassis and handling. The lightweight chassis, combined with premium Öhlins suspension and Brembo braking components, provides exceptional stability and confidence. Precise steering and outstanding feedback allow riders to attack corners with confidence and precision at any speed riding experience. Riding the 2025 Panigale V4 R is an intense and thrilling experience. It feels brutally fast yet surprisingly composed, rewarding skilled riders with unmatched performance and track-focused precision. Conclusion. The 2025 Ducati Panigale V4 R is a true race bike for the road, built for riders who demand the absolute best. With cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and championship-level performance, it stands as one of the most extreme and desirable superbikes in the world.